23443. Brownlow starts at 8, apparently. Andrew says red carpet is at 7. Andrew didn't even know they did votes. That's usually when he turns it off. Pile is getting very, very like this. They're all just going to come crashing down. Maybe I'll chuck them off the balcony. Is the ship open on Saturday? Relationship is. Oh. Friday is a public holiday here, Wayne. Is that a... Yeah, it won't be. It'd just be Victoria, right? For the grand final. It is the worst public holiday in the history of holidays. A day off before a footy match. Like, it's actually ridiculous. I should be excited it's a day off, but I'm furious. Oh, that's right, they're over there. I'm going to need a few more of these. Another pack of these. Excuse me? I have no idea what that was, statement. I suppose I could look it up. Alright, good luck. 38 of 65, DBJ. Have you already got your tickets, TC? 10 of 95, H Mac. Is he 10? I forget Harry's jumper number. I'm thinking 10. 18 of 95, Callum Ward. $65 of 70, John Newcomb. I think so, Gorman. I've gone blank on him. That's another John Newcomb franchise future. And this is another DeGoey Pearl. 25 of 35. Willie Peake needs a big Lions hit. Let's see what we can do. 33 of 70, Bont. That's another signature, not Bont, Bailey Smith, sorry. Another signature jersey. Oh, is that not a typo? Or is it? Oh, geez, I don't know. Alert the authorities. Get Blake in here. Danger 61 or 65. If we hear those sirens come back, they're looking for you, Willie Peake. 50 of 95, Mitchie Owens. Yeah, all right, Gormo. Corrected myself. Savages. I'm tired. This is nice. If you've got the Canners, 0-1 of 50 is Stevie J. Goal kicking greats. Oh, are you sitting with Blake? He showed me where he was sitting. I hope that's the Sydney end, or else you could be in for a bad day. 25 of 40, Kane Johnson. $15 of 55, Bernie Quinlan. I got to warn you, sitting next to Blake at the footy is an experience. 19 of 70, a big nank. He gets very racist, personal, abusive. Think of all the other bad people you see at the footy and think, geez, what happened to that guy? That's Blake. 35 of 40, Darren Jarman. Quaynor. Again, is that the fourth one of these tonight? I can't even. 14 of 70. I'm actually a bit depressed for you guys. 71 of 95, Ben Keys. Racist? Uh-oh. 63 of 95, it's the Doc. 45 of 95, Bailey Dale. Two shit names. No, the bold fraud. 57 of 65, Mitch Duncan. He's not a bold fraud. He shaves his head. That's not the same. You can't abuse someone who shaves their head. 63 of 70, Lockie Whitfield. Giants patch. Let's hope so, Willie Peak. You'll get this one. 33 of 55, it's Roger Merritt. Uh, 45 of 95, Max King. 51 of 70, Ollie Hollins. I haven't seen his signature before, and I'm glad because that's awful, Ollie. I'm sorry. What is that? $45 of 70, Barry Stoneham. I listened to the mini of the race on the drive home, Peter Lee. Sounded like one of the more boring ones for the year. Fifey. 29 of 35. Gormo. I've got my boxes. I should open one for me. 37 of 65. It's the big Nank. Nank. I assume Soul captain next year for Nank. Now that Grimey's gone. This is nice. 17 of 50. Kochi and Richo. Franchise greats for the Tigers. And that is it for 2, 3, 4, 4, 3.